forget about the gloss. Hello there, my name is Jess, and if you are new, I make very fun, very helpful, very creative videos for anyone and everyone with naturally curly hair. So if that seems of interest to you, definitely consider subscribing because you will fit right in here. Oh my gosh, my cousins are gonna get on my nerves. My cousins are upstairs right now and they're playing music, so if it's loud and I'm talking loud, it's because I'm trying to talk over it, okay? We're gonna make this intro really quick because they're really bumping up there. Today, I planned on doing a hairstyles video, back to school hairstyles video. I really wanted to record that for you guys so it could be up, but something kind of happened to me today. I don't really know how to say this without getting personal, so here's a warning for anybody who doesn't like personal talk, boys out there. Okay, you guys are probably already know where I'm going with this. Yeah, it was so hard for me to get out of bed. And so now it's like about 5:30 right now and the sun is starting to go down really soon and it's gonna mess up the lighting. So I decided let me do an updated curly hair, natural hair routine because I haven't done a simple wash and go in forever. So I wanted to do an updated one. Right now I'm looking like a weird person because I just literally co-washed my hair and then I put some leave-in conditioner and that's it. Are you ready to see my updated curly hair, natural hair, wash and go? Let's go. Hit the flow and the dough. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Let's just... Like I said, right now my hair is prepped. I kind of wish I would have showed you guys how it was looking before because it was looking so terrible, and I know some of you guys like to see the before and after, and sometimes you guys need to see the real, like how my hair be looking real crazy. I mean, you guys kind of know. You guys see how my hair be looking in the beginning of most of my videos. It's still wet, and this is how it looks. It looks a lot better than how it did. Yeah, I probably should have put a towel right here because it's gonna be wet. I really have not switched at all. I use the same products because I am a basic natural. I use the SheaMoisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is what I've always been using. This should be in the basic like natural starter pack. But I don't have that much in here, so I'm actually gonna do something risky. And I'm gonna mix it with this right here, SheaMoisture Raw Shea Butter Extra Moisture Transitioning Milk. And let's see what happens when we mix these products. I feel like I've done it before, but I did that for a twist out or a braid out. So now I'm gonna try it on my wash and go and see how it works. I have high porosity hair, so my hair can handle this. So I feel like mixing products is cool. It's like kind of similar to mixing like foundations and you're just trying new things. And then usually after my creams, I go in with my DevaCurl, my light defining gel, DevaCurl gel. I think that's about it. That's all I do. Gosh, I'm so basic. That's super simple. Maybe that's good for anybody that's going back to school. You want to make sure that the product is distributed through your hair evenly and perfectly. Then maybe you can like section off your hair and like make like 4 sections, 2 on this side, 2 on this side. And my hair is damp right now. Usually I will do this over the sink because I like when my hair stays like super wet when I'm putting the products in, because for some reason it just locks in my hair. Like when the product is mixed with water, it just really like locks the moisture in my hair better. I have this little tiny baby spray bottle. I've literally been using this bottle since I started YouTube. Oh crap. Dang it. It like literally flew all the way across the room. Alright, give me a second. So right now, like I said, I'm using the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I'm coating that through my hair. I mean, it depends on you. I like to use a generous amount. And then I'm just like rubbing it and like finger combing it through my hair. And then I just do this motion. So I kind of finger comb and then put it through. And I try to get as close to the roots as possible. Like literally, I try to get all in there. And then sometimes I'll go like this afterwards just for whatever product that's left on my hands to smooth out on top. I rake it to get it like in between, and then I do this to make it coat on top. Okay, so now that I put the cream through this side, I'm going to go in and wet it just so it can like lock in the product. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this over it. Some more Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I'm gonna wet it again. So I put product, I wet it, put some more product, and then I wet it. All right, so you see this side, we got this side, it's looking pretty good. Next, grab some of this. I put like that much. Excuse my hand, I know it's gross to have a bunch of hair on it. Go in the sink and wet it because that's just what I like to do. I like to wet it in the sink better so I can get my whole hair drenched. So I'm about to do that right now. We're gonna work on the edges part. Okay. Cue the musica. Alright, let's do this. Cousin filming right now. I'm just gonna demonstrate to you guys really quick what I mean by when I use the sink to wet my hair. Okay, all right, come a little closer. Okay, so I just turned the water on, and then it doesn't matter if it's cold or hot. And then I just get my hair, and then I just wet it. Water coming in my hair. And that's it, just like that. And then I wring it out a little bit. And then my hair is wet. I like this method better than spraying because it gets my hair super damp and it locks the moisture in. And that's it. Now let's get back to the rest of the video. And as you can see, it's darker now a little bit. My hair is a little dry, but not really. It's kind of dry, but not really. So we're just gonna continue wash and go before the lighting goes bye-bye, for real, for real. My hair is pretty much good to go. I just need to do the top section. So I was thinking while I was waiting for my camera to finish charging, I was gonna repart my hair. I always do like a side part, but I was thinking if maybe I should try to go for a middle part this time. But we're just gonna try a middle part. I'm so sorry for this lighting, but I have to do this. I have to just get this over with. The lighting will be better, trust me, it's gonna get better.